Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. I really wanted to start the vlog like a long time ago, but because I was super busy like today, and I'm still busy right now. That's why I'm still like, as I wanna just I'll get like one little bit like me just getting ready to go where I am going. Why am I stuttering? But anyhow, I won't tell you guys where I'm going until you guys see it. So I will see you all in the next clip, okay? Hey guys. You want to pee? Wait till I go upstairs. So welcome back to my channel, and you see the first clip when I did, that was me getting ready to come to the airport. And here am I now. I'm at the airport. Hold on, me here I want to fix up the twine them keep on a drop road. Oh no, I'm not taking no step Granville. Okay. So I'm here traveling with Granville, and this is Granville's first time. So hey guys, good morning. If I'm looking busted right now, don't even say nothing bad about how me look. I'm tired, like legit. I drop asleep about 5 times, so I beg gonna do. Understand the situation. But anyhow guys, that are tuned into my channel. Life is Dominique Often. Oreo, I'm hungry, yes. Look at my face, me look busted, me look black, me look sleepy, me look tired, me look no sir. Welcome to JFK. JFK Airport, and welcome to New York.
And welcome to eating popcorn.
Look at that. Eh?
On the plane.
I like the chips and like yours. You know, so at first airline, I see the chips so big. Oh. I saw now my little something. Guys, ever since I travel, like JetBlue are the first airline that I have seen giving their passengers the big bag of chips, like as big as this. From Manassia, JetBlue alone do it up to Granville. Manassia, JetBlue alone do it, but a JetBlue are the only flight I ever go consider. And then give you your own can of juice. Normally, I'm used to just the cup and then pour the drinks in it, and then use the one can serve all 2 people. So anyways, as I was saying, welcome to JFK. Welcome to New York. To say that this is like, watch Granville. To say that people are so like, excited to come to New York, I think the airport should have looked more official. The airport is not as how would I expect it to look. It just regular. So I guess I don't know, but people always say about if you come a foreign and you not come to New York, you know, got Times Square, you not gone nowhere, you not gone foreign. Well, I come to New York this time, and the airport not act like that. But anyhow, we're outside away upon a ride because we're going like 2 hours away from the airport right now. So we're away upon a ride. I really don't like how my face look right now. I feel like I take one wipes and wipe it off. God no. So we're there. We are wait. Me and my Granville Archer. Yo! So hey guys, Granville. Granville is sick right now. Granville have nowhere for putting head. So I'm sick. Me reach at my housing, but what that mean? That's where you're going to sleep? Anyways, peeps, that's a check you would know, making you know everything is okay right now. Yeah. We filling in with all of the information then later. And all that. So hey guys, today is Saturday. I'm really hungry. My flight this morning was like 1:25 a.m. It took off a little bit earlier than that time there, but basically same thing. So as I said before we reach here, right now, but just keep on up to date with this whole thing. This are the housing over there, like the housing. So like we want to go out of the mega get something to eat. The distance kind of a bit, you know, long for walk go there. But we're hungry. We don't have a choice, so we're gonna take on the road and make it go there and so forth. So that's what really hope for today. Well, I meant to like this New York thing is just a disappointment. Like people crazy over New York. I'm not crazy over New York. I like really this not. But I got there for 4 months, so let me see what the New York experience is gonna be like. This when I got there with me too. So this is maybe the most frequent the vlog them I gonna be for now, cause my day for work. So when I start work, the vlog them now go. Maybe when I get a vlog once in a blue moon. But I'm gonna see how best me can work with the vlogging and the uploading. Because the vlogging is not the problem, not the uploading. So I'm gonna see how best me can deal with that. And when you see how best me can do it, then from there, everything is okay. So, yeah. So hey guys, I'm back again. You wouldn't believe that we rode all the way to McDonald's on our bikes. It was like a 15-minute ride. Granville, like basically in bike don't have on a brake on it. So I took the bike with the brake on it. But right now we don't know where we park our bikes. Where to park our bikes? Excuse me. Hello. Do we leave our bikes like anywhere? No? What's that? Like inside, I don't know.
I don't live here.
Oh, I don't live here either. That's what I'm asking you. Like, legit. So we're at McDonald's. We're hungry. So, we legit don't know where we park our bikes. So, excuse me. Where do we park our bikes? Anywhere? Okay. Granville, let's go park our bikes over. It's a mobile order. Let's go park our bikes over there. Right here. Woo. So guys, Granville bicycle that have no brake on it. Yo, I'm always having some like first time dramatic experience anytime we come in our new state. You put down? Alright. Hold this for me, Granville. Hold this for me. For your park vehicle? I feel you fit the phone?
No, I don't want to be in it, so.
But you're not fit me. I don't like you put me in it either.
Oh. So.
You can't pick up one anytime park for yourself. I basically have. Yeah, I there's practically anyone parking right here. Right. So where is it now?
Here.
Oh.
Okay.
So this is our Mark X and Audi. So we're going to go in McDonald's right now. So yeah. Alright, come. So Granville, welcome to McDonald's, your first time here. I want a frappe. Guys, so we have to go what we want now. Granville. Hold on. What do you want?
Anything else?
No, not anything like that. What do you want? Signature. So we just got our meal, so we're waiting on it. We're gonna have it here. So I got a frappe just to replace my Starbucks right now, because you guys know, like even before this YouTube thing, maybe my YouTube family might not know, but I love Starbucks caramel frappe. Like, ugh, that's just me. I love my frappuccino and all those stuff. So yeah, this Granville looking like, what you call yourself? Like?
A whole meal.
A whole meal? A whole meal? You hear him? You hear him? It's not easy at all. So guys, this is what we got. This is my frappe. Granville got a chocolate frappe. Mine is caramel. And this is our quarter pounder. So, yeah. Guys, Peter went on a bike. Peter, bike too easier to see. Peter Granville on a bike. So guys, mega end the first vlog here.
She say everything alright.
Mega end the vlog here.
The two of you with them.
And
so them will come around 5 or 6 o'clock.
That's Granville talking to babe, so yep, cause
hopefully by then
he's
then come
here in New York, but him not reach it from reach it, so yeah.
So them I for you there.
What you say? What you say?
Yeah.
What do you say?
So it's free name Polo.
What you say, mother? At the end, yeah? Oh, what Queens? I live look at that. What you say? The Queens are Brooklyn? Brooklyn? So, make end the vlog here. I'm going to edit it, post it. So, if anything later, I can start one new.
Yeah, no one of that me use. One of that my father.
What name?
Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren.
A bad spray, man. Hey, man, touch good on your head, man. We'll buy. What is it? Frappuccino.
Frappuccino.
Then, of course, can we come and.
Guys, I'm going to talk to you later, okay? Bye.